Hi guys, my name's Dylan and today we're looking around our Seat Leon Cupra 300 Lux 4Drive. So I believe this is mystery blue, sitting on 19s, standard alloy wheels on the Cupra, so much better spec than you'd get with a standard Golf R. Incredible condition, so lowered on RacingLine lowering springs, just gives it that better stance, sitting really nice there. And it's got a nice bronze badging throughout. So obviously the 4Drive makes it a lot more capable through the winter months. And you've just got a little protector here as well. So you imagine they would get quite scratched, pulling things in and out of the boot. So have a quick look at the health report. So tread on the tyres, all averaging around 5mm and around 10% wear front and back on the brake pads. So last engine service carried out by ourselves on 32,255. That'll be using genuine parts from TPS. So you can see the work carried out there, and then clean MOT as well. This is all the services on there, so that will all be documented on the advert, of course. You get this leaf out of here. Shut the boot down. So again, we come around the side, incredible condition. And a real capable car. You get so much more value for the money with the Seat. Michelin tyres as well, just what you need. So full leather throughout, excellent condition in the back, and no marks in the seats from the dreaded baby seats, leaving dents in the leather. And you have the carbon effect on the doors as well. So being the Lux, it does have adaptive cruise, wireless charging pad, and it's got the full link as well, so you can have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto with Waze or Google Maps up on there. Of course you can use a standard sat nav, but they're not great if I'm honest. It's also had the Cupra R inserts here, so that's a very nice addition. I think they're around £160. It does really set the front off. I'll just step back here. It looks so much better with the fog lights removed. Real nice touch. So, make sure I've got the key on me. Yes, I have. So, limited wear to the leather. Folding mirrors as well. We've got the digital cockpit, the mileage just there. The heated seats and the wireless charging pad is down there as well. We've got the book packs in there. I'll just start this up. So there's plenty of different views on the screen as well. I can try and work through these. Oh, sorry about that. So you've got the centre one there, which is really nice, reminds me of the S3. You've got that one, a little bit more boring there. I think the revs come up the side on this one, if I remember rightly. Nope, maybe because it's in a, get to driving data. And then another view there as well. There we go. So back to normal. So you've got the full link on there. Close that and you've got your DAB, get the menu back up. You've got your navigation, and most importantly, what comes standard, what stands out for me on the Cupra was the DCC. That's a £900 option on the Volkswagen Golfs. That was a big deal for me when I bought my Cupra back a few years ago. You go into Cupra mode and the throttle response will be sharper, the suspension will be stiffer, and the steering wheel will be a little bit heavier. It's obviously travelling at high speed. Being completely standard and having the soft limiter, it's not a tremendous noise coming out of the rear, but of course you can do a res delete, which just opens that up a little bit and still passes all of emissions, but that will just help with the noise, I feel. So any questions, please feel free to just contact us. We can go over any details and the part exchange. Thank you.